Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will talk about what all is UPSC CDS exam. यूपीएससी इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि यूपीएससी सीडीएस का जो एग्ज़ाम है वो क्या होता है, कौन लोग उसमें जा सकते हैं, हु ऑल कैन ज्वाइन, हु ऑल कैन नॉट ज्वाइन, what all to do to join it, what is the salary, what are the perks, and what are the academies, what are the benefits. So all this are going to be covered in this video. So let's start. UPSC, it is a combined defense services exam, that is a national level exam and being conducted by Union Public Service Commission. It is held twice a year. So in this exam, it is for the recruitment of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force and officers for the training academy. So next is why defense or why CDS. So basically it is not a question to ask why a defense and why CDS, because it is very obvious. We as the people of the nation have to serve the country, and it is our responsibility to guard our borders, to seas, skies and all the threats that are in this particular country. So a person who has zeal, enthusiasm, discipline, adventure, all these things, of course they should go and serve their nation with all the pride. It is the most prestigious job. People, I know you might also have known some of the famous personalities which are in defense, or maybe आपके चाचा ताऊ और might have been serving in defense forces. So tell me in comment sections from your place who is in defense, or you can name some of the famous personalities which you know that are in defense forces. So my favorite is always it is our there are two or three. There are lady officers also in the army, in various other sectors like air, navy, all these forces. They also recruit women as their officers. So women also need to join. So the next point is adventure and challenge, which this particular post, with this particular thrilling posts in deserts, mountains, सियाचिन. पता है इतने लोग सियाचिन जाने का सपना होता है और जा ही नहीं पाते. एंड यू थिंक अबाउट these officers, they serve in this particular terrain, so they are lucky enough to serve our nation. I feel very happy and lucky that they are serving our nation. Also leadership and discipline, this is the most important point, that leadership and discipline is must. अब आप सोचो, आपके किसी भी काम में डिसिप्लिन होगा तो आप कितना कुछ अचीव कर पाएंगे. आप डेली बिना किसी लेजीनेस के, बिना किसी अदर डिस्ट्रैक्शन के डिसिप्लिन से आप पढ़ रहे हैं. सो हु कैन अवॉइड, हु कैन स्टॉप यू टू ज्वाइन एनी ऑफ द job or any of the services. So it is the most important thing that is being taught in the defense forces. The next is financial stability and perks. As we all know, this is a government job, so government job has its own stability. You need, there are allowances, lifetime pension, free health care, housing, education. All these services are provided to the defense personals. Also you get global exposure, international posting, so and brotherhood also. As the army personals, they fought the wars. You might have seen in 1965, 1971, they fought together, so they have that brotherhood feeling. They fought for each other. दैट ये स्पिरिट होती है कि जो बुलेट है ना वो मुझे लगे, मेरे भाई को ना लगे, मतलब स्पिरिट आ भी जाती है. सो दोज हु लाइक ऑल दिस, आई सेड that you definitely need to go and join these forces. So I'm going to tell you about the academies कि अकेडमीज़ एक्चुअली में होती कौन कौन सी हैं और जो कि आपको हेल्प करती हैं ट्रेनिंग देने में व्हेन यू क्लियर द एग्ज़ाम. और उसमें आपको इन पर्टिकुलर 4 अकेडमीज़ में ट्रेनिंग मिलती है इफ़ यू क्लियर योर CDS एग्ज़ाम. दैट इज़ IMA, इंडियन मिलिट्री अकेडमी, दैट इज़ इन देहरादून. Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy, AFA, that is in Hyderabad, and OTA Training Academy, that is in Chennai. And OTA, it is for the Short Service Commission for the Army particularly, and both men and women can join these forces. For the short service in the Army, women can also join. Okay, so coming to the next, I would like to tell you about the salaries, which you definitely might have an idea about the salaries. Of course, they are high rank officers, so they get a very good salary starting from the lieutenant. Then other rank is captain, major, lieutenant colonel, brigadier, major general, lieutenant general, general. All these are the ranks, and general being the highest rank. So, and the basic pay, you can see here that they get a good amount of salary. Now I would like to tell you about the key perks and benefits about these. Key perks are free medical facilities are provided to the family and the parents, subsidies house, लाइफ टाइम पेंशन, कैंटीन फैसिलिटीज़. कैंटीन में तो बहुत अच्छा सामान मिलता है. माई दादा वॉज इन आर्मी, सो आई नो दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. लीव, एजुकेशन अलाउंस फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट्स. सो ऑल दिस बेनिफिट्स आर गिवन टू द पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हु जॉइन द आर्मी. So now I would like to tell you the eligibility criteria and how to apply. Candidates are required to apply online by using the website. So we get the notification. I told you that it is being held twice a year. So the notification is being released on the website, that is upsconline.government.in. You can visit this site and apply. So tell me in the comment section if you want to keep you guys updated about the notifications for the CDS entry. The age limit for the academies are IMA, you have 19 to 24, INA 19 to 22 years can join, AFA 19 to 23 years can join, OTA men 19 to 25 years can join, and OTA women 19 to 25 years can join. Now the education qualification for the CDS entry for the IMA and OTA or INA or AFA is you need to be a graduate, or the final year persons can also give, but they have to submit their final year mark sheet. So you can see the bachelor's degree, BTech degree, and for the AFA also bachelor's degree with physics and maths. Now the exam pattern, what all the exam demands. अगर आप जा रहे हो, इफ़ यू वांट कि हमें भी अपना नेशन सर्व करना है, तो आपको इसके लिए एक गुड स्ट्रेटजी चाहिए ताकि आप एग्ज़ाम क्लियर कर पाएँ. और एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करने के लिए इट हैज़ 2 parts, रिटन एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट बीइंग SSB इंटरव्यू. And the written exam is objective type. It is of 300 marks. Objective means you have to answer the MCQ question and fill the OMR sheet. And in this written exam, 100 marks for the English, then 100 marks for the GS, and for the elementary maths the 100 marks again. So English you get the grammar, vocabulary, history, polity, geography, science and current affairs in GS. Maths mein you get arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry. All these are the syllabus which you need to prepare to join the CDS entry. Okay, so I think अब तक आप इंस्पायर हो गए होंगे टू ज्वाइन दिस पर्टिकुलर फोर्सेस, and it is very interesting. As I have told you, you get so much of adventure, you get a chance to serve the nation. You must give it a try at least once in your lifetime. The second part of the process is SSB. SSB is Service Selection Board Interview. It is for 900 marks, and it has two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 has screening test, that is officer intelligence rating and picture perception test, and the stage 2 test has psychological test, GTO test, personal interview. All these are the SSB interview stages. So tell me in comment section if any one of you have appeared in any of the SSBs, and how much did you enjoy in all these process of the SSB. So after that you get the medical examination. Then after clearing the medicals, you get into the merit list. Merit list is based on the written exam plus SSB interview. Combining both the numbers of your performance, you get a rank in the merit list, and you definitely will be going to crack it. I am particular sure if you will work hard, you have discipline, you have enthusiasm, you have zeal to serve your nation, you will definitely make it. So I think I have told all the basics, that what all is CDS, how can you go there, what are all the perks, what are the ranks, what are the academies, and also the most important thing, that when you are preparing, go through the previous year question papers, that are must to know what all the syllabus is. Because किसी भी एग्ज़ाम को क्लियर करने के लिए एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो कि डिमांड क्या कर रहा है वो पेपर ना, उसमें क्या चीज़ है, पहले कैसा आता है, हमें क्या पढ़ना है. सो हमें अपना टाइम बचाना है, मेहनत करनी है अच्छे से, और एग्ज़ाम क्रैक करना है. So guys, tell me in the comment section if you need some more help, and please subscribe, like my channel, and tell me in the comment section if you like the video or you need some other same type of videos. I will let you know. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you in next